gratitude time. I'm at Sacred Space in Miami, and there's this pretty bird that's decided to chirp. It's a little windy, as you can see, but it's a beautiful area here. There's a restaurant, and I just finished a yoga class, meditation, and I'm heading out to eat at Wynwood, and I just wanted to say hello. Have a beautiful day wherever you are. May you hear the birds. May you feel the nature that's all around you. May you feel the nature and the song inside of you that likes to appreciate what you have, because the more appreciation and gratitude we have, the more our heart opens, the more nature sings to us, the more we sing to nature. And the singing is a harmony, and a harmony that is natural. We might not hear it, it's a vibration. It's part of our energy field. Our consciousness has a vibration. Our thoughts have a vibration. Our feelings have a vibration. What is that vibration when it is in gear, when it is functioning, when it is in front seat, or when it is driving your vehicle? Your consciousness is your thoughts and your awareness. What are you focusing on? So I love energy and the vibration of good energy and higher vibration, lower vibration. Just feel good, whatever you do. Know that I'm sending good vibes your way. Wherever you are, namaste. Peace.